Maharaj Gambhir Singh Laikidabagi Chamaga Marifutara Nithoishuba Komon Thoram Imphal gi Langthawalda Leiba Gambhir Singh gi Samadhi da Governor Ajay Kumar Valana Luchingduna Pangthokrai. Gambhir Singh bu Miyamna Ningsing Bagaloinana Lamdam Masida Kundaminari Bapumna Makna Amatta Oina Manglomda Changsin Minanaba Honaminasi Haina Governor na Appeal Tawrakli. Department of Art and Culture ki State Archaeology na sinduna pangthokiba thoram aduda Governor na luchingduna Gambhir Singh gi Samadhi da laikatuna amadi haunabi matung inna Manipur Rifles ki band kangbu amana gun salute piduna ikai khumna budki. Thoram adugi manung chana Nara Singh amasung Hira Chandra gi mitamdasu laikatuna ikai khumna budki. Tungda mafam aduda laiba pukri da tarpan katpaga loinana thoram aduga mari leinana pangthokpa do paladasu Governor na saruk yaki. Thoram aduga mari leinana Governor na kumja lising amaga chanipan ga tara mapandagi lising amaga chanipan ga kuntaruk fawba kuntakpa matamda Maharaj Gambhir Singh na Burmese Singhi makuttagi lamdam asigi maning makha tamba hanjinna bohonabada lawkhiba thaudang singbu singthaki. Loinana Gambhir Singhi haithoi singthoiba kayana oithok laroidra khaluba Manipuri Singhi manglan ado mangfaung na hanba ngamki. Maramasina Maharaj Gambhir bo Miyamna Ningsing Bakakta Natana Lamdamasi Mahusagi Fibamda Hanjinaba Madi Chaukhotpagi Lambi da Changsinaba Punna Honaminabagi Mathau Tai Haina Sufongdoki. Thoramadu Chief Secretary Punit Kumar Goel, MLA Singh, Security Advisor Kuldip Singh, Mari Lenaba Official Singh Amadi, Ima Ibel Ahallaman Kayana Sarukyaki.
IAS, ST archaeology, sacrifice and endure.
Fire! Fire! Fire!
Maharaja Gambhir Singh's greatness extended far beyond the battlefield. He was a visionary statesman who understood the realities of regional politics and international diplomacy. His legacy teaches us that no darkness is permanent and that courageous leadership guided by wisdom and foresight can alter the course of history. Even today, his life holds deep relevance. It reminds us that true leadership is not confined to liberation alone, but extends to rebuilding institutions, safeguarding identity, and securing the future of one's people. At a time when Manipur faces complex social and development challenges, his example calls upon us to remain united, resolute, and forward-looking.